Check, 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 check. Okay, microphone check. So, Crypto Bear Trap, let's start. First of all, disclaimer, everything we're gonna say here is not any financial advice, and just, I don't know, pause yourself and read the disclaimer. If this is suitable for you, we can continue. Okay, so let's go. So, Bitcoin. I'm not gonna say anything new here, but just, I would like to just show this one. Look, first of all, we were talking about the base TVL is rising. I'm going to show you a few kind of inputs on this. Then we had the message that probably the ETF will going to delay. That's 4 days ago. And now I am waiting for Bitcoin to go to 23,500. Okay. And we are kind of going into the justification. Yeah. So everyone, okay, a lot of news, like you're gonna see on this episode, yeah, we have a lot of news, red flags, which are actually good for us because it's the same thing. It looks the same as in 2019 when the big pandemic came in, yeah, and all these infos, all these events, and let's say some sort of turbulences were actually visible before everything happened. So at the moment, I'm going to show you very similar. But this time, I know where to look. And I'm looking at the Fed funding rate, which is now going to be sideways. And why Fed funding rate will go down? You will see soon. So let's just go here. For the moment, it's very hard to state where the Bitcoin will go. Okay, if we're going to take a look at the macro, okay, side, that's the monthly one. If we can see that it's losing the grip, and if that was the stop, so we're gonna go down. Okay, we're gonna go down. That's this one. We're gonna go down. As you can see, we had a very similar movement here, okay, and at these bottoms here. If we're gonna here is the very similar, and usually we were going kind of downish here, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do now in the short term, okay, but what I'm going to do in the kind of mid term is that when the price will go down here, okay, I will wait for the price to go back above this swing failure pattern, and then there's a higher probability that the price will go up a little bit, let's say to 27,000. At the moment we are in between 26,000 and 25, I think 700, something like this. Look, we are in between two liquidation zones. Let's just take a fresh one. Between two liquidations. First one is starting, the long liquidations are starting at 25,700, and they are kind of to 25,200, let's say. And the short liquidations are starting at 26,000, and they are running up to 26 and a half. So now look, 20, moment. 26,000 starts here, and this is up to 26,300, yeah? That's what it says. That's a view up here, okay? So that's my swing failure at the moment here, this one. If the price will start going up here, it will speed up. But I don't think so, it will gonna go up, definitely. There needs to be a movement. The same thing if we're gonna go down here to 23,700, that's the lower liquidation here. We will go to 25 and 300 here at the bottom, yeah? That's the price as far as this range could go down. So what I'm doing now, I am waiting till the price will go in this or that direction, and then I'm gonna put the counter trade. So here I'm gonna short, here I'm gonna go long, yeah? No point, look, all these people which entered and bet at the moment, they had a liquidations here, shorts, here, longs. That's how it is. So market maker, the only money that market maker can actually win in this thing, it's to gather the liquidations in this market. They need to earn, and they are getting this money from these people who just play too fast. So at the moment, all coins are looking bullish, okay, and some of them, they had a really nice launch. They had look, Dreams plus 10%, yeah. So the money, like if we're gonna go to AI coins, look, AI NMR. Look how big pump that was. Look how big pump. From $11 to $25. Big, huge pump. Like, look at these patterns. Look at these patterns. Fetch AI. Very similar. I'm just going to delete this. But I don't think so. The Fetch AI will actually hold on at this range. I don't think so. We have RSI quite high now, yeah. Matrix AI, very similar to NMR, look. And then bam, bam, up. We have the eggs, yeah. Singularity net, very similar. And looks like the capital is just waiting. The capital doesn't know, that don't like this kind of movement. That's why it's this boring atmosphere. That's why it's just jumping. Yeah, it's just jumping. So that's how everything is look like. Okay, so I would say that's this for the moment, because the other coins that I'm kind of looking at are gems from, let's say, from kind of my gems kind of site. It's a PvP bot. I'm gonna tell a few words just in a few moments. This one is quite interesting. Look, it's the BB. It's a bet something. What's that called here? Bookie bet. Today we were looking at this at the level of 240, and now it's over 380. So nice movement. I think now it should be some retrace now. But it's the money is here, like, so every time you will look at these coins and you see sharp movements down, it looks like the coin will retrieve, and it's about 30-40%, and you can do it even twice a day. So the money is in the small coins now, and these small coins are not invaded by the big money, so there are no huge manipulations kind of schemes. But let's go here. Okay, look, Country Garden have extended approval, has get the approval to extend their bonds repayments. Remember that this company is responsible for almost 20-30%, depends from the sources, for the GDP, from the China GDP. So if they are going down, it's a problem. And government is given all the efforts to pay back these loans and so on. But listen, this is very dangerous. And some people saying, yeah, the China will go down. No. This will infect the US markets and EU markets as well, because a lot of pension funds, a lot of hedge funds, a lot of banks, okay, gave the loans to Garden, yeah, and now they have a problem. So look, they were trying to make a deal with the banks, yeah. And like the people who loan, the institutions who loan their money, they don't have any choice to agree on the terms and conditions which Garden will tell them. Okay, Country Garden will tell, listen, we will pay you back maybe 20% in next month. They have to, because they will agree or they will lose everything. They will lose everything. So I don't think so it will replenish. But if the China will move everything to help, I think the economy will go from 2024, and that's going to be our cycle. First of all, we're going to see this probably lockdown, something black will come, something, I don't know, and then market will crash, but it's going to be the same crash in 2020. And then we will recover. We're going to go up then. So watch out, because all these red flags, like, this new illness which is going kind of around the world, people are kind of bleeding or something, I don't know. Biden is saying that the new lockdowns will be applied, okay? Then we have these China kind of restrictions here, yeah? They don't want to put any more efforts to rise the economy. So now they are putting efforts, okay? It's changing now. It means it's very close. They are very close under the wall, okay? Just beside the wall, they don't have any place now to go. Okay. In recent days, authorities announce fresh stimulus. That's what we try to get. Okay. That's right. And then we have the US bonds. Nobody wants to buy the bonds. Nobody wants. Why? Because there's a high percentage, over 5% at Fed funding facility. So all the money are here. And look, if the bonds will start to go up, yeah, it means that Fed will go down with the Fed rates. So then all these entities who park their money at the Fed will start buying bonds. That's why yield, the bonds yield, will start to go down because they are reverse correlated. Yeah? When the price is going up, yield is going down. So that's why they don't want to buy the bonds now, okay? And the bonds percentage is rising. So they will do it once they will find out that the Fed is very close to lower down the interest rates. And then they're gonna go down to bonds. Once the bonds will be purchased, the money will go then into the stocks, okay? And the Fed will start saving the economy. They have to have some explanation to print more money. They have to print more money. The inflation will go, up, and beyond, like a Superman. Up, and away. That's how this is gonna go. That's how. That's how it's gonna go. But they have to have the justification. A rationale to print more money. A rationale to actually bring all the people from middle class into their knees. That's how it is. But the people who are working, as so-called fiat marines, yeah, they are working only for fiat. They don't invest, they are not interesting. They will suffer. We are at the inflation hedge. All that money will go into stocks. And we are here already. Crypto, stocks, commodities, we are here. It's a bear trap. That's why this channel called Bear Trap, because for the next 2 years, we're going to be trading bear traps, okay? And I will explain what is it, but at the different kind of episodes. So consumer confidence pulled back in August again. What does it say? Look, it's a very simple triangle. We have a consumer confidence. It's going down. Imagine yourself that there is a factory that is working, and if a consumer confidence is going down, factories gonna start laying off people. What's gonna happen? The more confidence go down, factories more, and here we're in this doom loop where the recession is coming. Okay, the recession is coming. That's anyway. Look, all this thing is going in a kind of direction that, look, another person lost her bank account. So at the moment we are looking at kind of misinformation war, and I think that's going to be the next 2024, 2025 serious war about misinformation. But the question is, who is right? Like, who determines what is right, what is wrong? Shall we trust the science? Well, from this, what I know, it's like we have to know the science. We have to know the science. No trust, we have to know that science. Let's go to the crypto now. Look, Nasdex, okay? Nasdex is a very small coin. However, in Q4, it's going to be a very big improvements. Like they're going to start launching their Nasdex to zero. Then it's going to be trading stocks, okay? This is a token STO project, which is aiming to create real world asset trading platform. So let's say if you're going to have a tokenized house or something, it will be able to trade within these fractions. Look, I'm just going to show you today about Lufthansa, okay? And then you will understand how big this market is going to be. It's like, it is something new. It is something which is actually outstanding. It is something this chance of being here will never ever be the same again. It's not in our lives. Like if you are like about, let's say 30, 40, 50 years old, okay, you will never have this chance again to be in this market. It's going to be rocket, okay? So big movements are going here. Very small capitalization of Nasdaq, very small. Market cap is very small. Look, NDSX, very small. It was for 1.5 cents. Now it's for 10 cents, and I think it's gonna go down to about 7 cents. And then I'm gonna load more pockets. Okay. It's available on the on Polygon. So market cap is low. Let's go. Fear and greed. Look, today we have a fear. Yesterday we had a fear. Last week we had a fear. So it's good. That's why I'm thinking that the market will soon reverse a little bit. But that's not going to be a huge reverse. Okay, there are many people saying it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. I don't know. I will wait, and if certain levels will be met, then there's a higher probability that the market is going this side or that side. Okay, crypto bubbles. Look, it is now kind of. It has now been shown nice. I don't know why multi-chain is so pumping. Like it's a scam. Like they're scamming people. I don't know. Maybe there is, maybe there's something wrong. I don't know. But look, most coins now, like 5 hours ago, most of these coins were red. Now they are showing small kind of life support. For me, there is a message that market is actually now in some sort of confluence that the Bitcoin is not doing anything, and the market is choosing coins. It's gonna go jump here. It's gonna jump there. It's gonna jump here. It's like this NMR, which went up, yeah, and then the same patterns are like visible in GRT, yeah, and different coins. So look, because some of the coins with the divergence, they can pump really hard. Okay, they can pump really hard, like 15, maybe maybe percent. Yeah. This is huge. Like MakerDAO, okay, is thinking to go and do Solana fork. It's not going to be Solana, but it's going to be Solana fork. Okay, so it's not like Solana will gain something, but the MakerDAO will get, because if this is going to be a fork Solana, so Solana has already plenty of developers which will be able to build on Maker. That's why Vitalik sold his Maker coins and just move away, because Maker wants to go out from Ethereum. I don't know, to be honest, I don't see that the Maker kind of coin, Maker chain will be kind of good. I don't know, maybe later on. And now look, the big news, Lufthansa is going into the NFTs. And look what you can do. Marketplace, okay, this will include marketplace, when the customers can buy and sell NFTs that can be used for flight upgrades. So if this is the NFT and it's going to be shown on some sort of blockchain, we don't have to use Lufthansa's marketplace. Only probably it's going to go outside of that place. We have this, let's say, Utrip app or something. But if this is going to be NFTs, then we will have the ownership of this, and we can trade this open on OpenSea, for example. So that's huge. That is huge, because everyone is going to the market. Look, like it's a Web 3.0. You will own certain things, and then you can sell it. You have your miles, okay? Some people are gathering points that they never use. Let's say some loyalty points in some sort of stores. You can sell them then. Okay? Same as Gala. Look, Gala, one founder is suing each other. I don't know. And competition is rising. So I don't know. Gala, I sold kind of a little bit 2 days before. That's fine. Okay, a little bit, half of it. And now I see that's... I don't know how. I'm not gonna sell now because it's at the bottom, so I'm not going to sell that. And this PvP bot, look, our entire crypto market is going into options, because more and more applications, more and more bots allowing to betting. But something goes up, something goes down, down. Something is kind of going in a different direction. But these are the options. Options so far haven't been popular on crypto, and now we are entering. So who knows? Maybe 2024. Could have a cycle of options, okay? A cycle of options. And the Bbank, Bbank is something which is advertised as a new and so on, but it's not new, okay? It's like you're getting your bank account, you're getting a card, you can get an app which is fiat off-ramp and on-ramp, okay? Which is nothing new. I would say that this Bbank is like a crossover between Crypto.com and Swissborg, okay? I'm using Swissborg a lot. That is actually the only one place on-ramp and off-ramp. But it's going this way. But you see, people would like to be a part of something new. That's why I think this product can go quite high. It's very cheap now for the moment. It's low market cap, and these functions are available. Soon they're gonna have a card. I don't know. It looks like kind of good. And then in your last news, US SOCOM. I don't know. Did you play ever the game SOCOM? Okay, will use AI to detect misinformation threats on social media. So I don't know how AI will determine whether I'm saying the truth or not, because AI will be just only predefined, okay? It's using information. So what information will use this AI? I don't know. And we will see what market will bring. Remember, if Bitcoin will be going down, okay, take the page and write down coins that you would buy if they will go down 50%. You will see that you're gonna that it's gonna be good for you, because once it's gonna go down. The emotions will be so high that you will never make the decision. So I'm gonna be reminding you, because I think with the next month or two, we will go down. Okay, we will go down. Talk to you later. So see you, and bye.